Hiya, so today I want to share with you a very simple recipe for a beautiful lymphatic cleanser. So here I've just come back from my walk and I picked up some catch wheat, and the reason why it's so scrunched up because obviously it's sticky, okay? So everybody knows this. This is a sticky plant. So you can maybe pick one of them here. Right, so everybody knows this on the account of the fact that kids often play with this, right? It sticks. So it's now that's why it's sort of all stuck together, because I was carrying it on the walk. And in a moment I am going to chop it up very fine. The finer the better, really. So chop it finely and put it in some good quality water and let it infuse. So this is essentially water extraction, water infusion. I'm going to show you a finished product in a moment. But why do we do it? It's a fantastic lymphatic cleanser, and really oftentimes, even with some of the videos I have done previously here, we have talked about detoxing, the fact that really that is one of the main contributing factors to really any illness, is the fact that people are so clogged up with toxins that are coming at us at speed from so many different directions, from every direction really. And obviously liver gets mentioned a lot. People are aware of the liver. We have mentioned here various herbs that can support liver function. That's very important. But we do, of course, have other organs and pathways of elimination. And one of the major ones, is the lymphatic system. And a lot of people have a clogged up lymphatic system. You can see it when people they have swelling, or when they have aches and pains, or whether they have cellulite or whatever. There's just so many symptoms that you can see that people complain about. We obviously have to look after the kidneys, as well as I already mentioned the liver, the skin, the lungs. Okay, so we do have, and obviously the gut, right? So we have those different pathways of elimination. But when one is clogged up, you have so much of a strain and now on the other ones. So we don't just want to focus on the liver or on the gut. We want to make sure that all our detox organs and pathways are in good shape, right? So if you have this in your garden, or if you go for a walk and you see it, this is obviously the right time of the year here in the northern hemisphere in Europe, where I am in Poland. But maybe it shows up where you are a little bit earlier, a little bit later. This is going to stick around, so it's not a come and gone sort of plant, right? It's going to stick around for a while. And if you have it in your vicinity, use it, because it's just fantastic, and it's also a very nice, refreshing summer drink. So for this hotter weather right now, really great refreshing drink. You can add some ice to it. You can add some lemon to it as well to further help the lymphatic drainage. And in itself, it doesn't taste bitter like some other herbs like dandelion. So it's actually quite pleasant. Give it a go and tell me what you think of this one. Really simple, but really fantastic and effective. Right, so I washed the material, I chopped it, and here it is in the jar with some hydrogen water. And you can already see, obviously, stir it really well, and you can already see some color at the bottom here. You can see that sort of light green color. This is going to get more intense as the extraction progresses. So I'm going to now leave it for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back to it, and it's pretty much going to be ready. Then maybe some ice and some lemon, or you can just drink it without anything else. But if you want to make it a nice pleasant drink, you can add those things. So as you can see, after a few hours, the mixture is that the fluid is a lot greener, the water is a lot greener. So now all we need to do is strain it and then serve it as I previously said. You can do it with a little bit of lemon or ice, or you can flavor it with other things. Personally, I don't think it needs a lot of flavoring. It's a fairly mild taste, but of course it's entirely up to you. So hopefully you will use this recipe and you will enjoy.